Looking at the Cabuyao Town Plaza. I've driven past there a few times, and I like all their lights. Last night here, I want to come in and see the lights. Ooh. Wow, so nice and bright, nice and lit up. Nice place to hang out on a Sunday night. First week of January. So it's January 4th today. Look at that.
I cannot talk, my throat hurts.
Look at the Christmas tree, pavilion.
Yeah, they have like a lot of stores.
Yeah, a lot of stores. A lot of little restaurant shacks over here. I like it. Wow, so nicely decorated. Beautiful night to be out in the plaza.
Yep.
Right?
Face. Oh. Face.
I hear a kitty cat over there meowing. Bagang Cabuyao.
Bago Cabuyao. Oh, I don't know where is the restroom. Where is it?
All right, bathroom time. Then time to go. This is the Cabuyao church here. I like their manger scene that they have. Church is pretty and lit up at night, isn't it? So I can zoom in a little bit. Yeah, nice manger. I like the life-size manger. Cabuyao Church here in Cabuyao.